Hola, I am Jenifer Francisco again from Blushington, New York City, and today I'm here to show you one of my favorite skincare lines ever. If you have been in my chair before, you probably know what I'm talking about because I kind of cannot shut up about it. If you have not, please join me to watch my step-by-step BeautyRX by Dr. Show's routine. First, I wash my face with a balancing glycolic cleanser. For about 30 seconds, I massage it into the skin, and then I rinse it away with warm water. My second step is my clarifying toner. I spray it into a cotton pad and wipe it all over my face. The way I like to explain this step is, let's say, with my cleanser, I take off 95% of impurities, right? Then the toner removes the extra 5%. This is very important because it will ensure my following products will get better into the skin. Right after, and only at night, I apply 1 pump of my beloved serum. It contains 3 powerful forms of vitamin C, and it has worked wonders of my hyperpigmentation issues. I highly recommend it to my mature skin clients to stimulate the collagen and also to fade fine lines and firm the skin. If your skin is on the dry side, I would recommend you to use some nourishing moisturizer over, but just only after you feel like the serum is absorbed on the skin. After the serum, I apply my number 1 go-to eye cream. It is a gentle exfoliating eye treatment that can be used in all skin types, and you can also use right before makeup. If I have ever done your makeup before, you probably own this already because this is if there is one thing that you should add to your skincare routine, is definitely this cream. In the morning, I wash it again with the cleanser. I apply my moisturizer, eye cream, and finally my sunscreen. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you have any questions, please let us know in the comments. And remember, you can use my code Jenifer20 for a 20% off discount at blushington.com.